Everyone is trying to flip these Labubu dials in 2025. Let me show you why most of these resellers are going to fail and how you can actually avoid having this mistake happen to you, but instead profit. All right, so let's first address this hype problem, right? So I have on my screen a bunch of statistics of people that are brought from us, but also I have on my other screen a bunch of trending Labubu listings, right? And here's the beautiful thing about this Labubu fiasco, right? Is a bunch of amateurs have jumped in the game. You got people that are listing these for $250. You got a bunch of people that are price gouging, which of course is expected because people don't know how to treat anything that makes money, right? They overpay for the inventory, therefore they go ahead and try to overcompensate when they're listing, or they just can't find a wholesaler. I'm right here, but they can't, and they go and try to buy from a regular store and just literally list theirs at whatever price. And again, this type of stuff damages the market, and of course, this is a problem with a bunch of products that have flourished, such as the Labubu dials. Now, if you're somebody that is looking to list and trying to fit this timing window, when you are actually going and buying, I want you guys to remember one thing. It's all about the cost of goods, right? How can you get these as low as possible for you to be able to make a profit, but also stay realistic? Now, I want to give you guys this, right? They are around around $22, the basic ones on the PopMart website. Now, the reason I say that is because if you're going to resell these, you want to stay around that range. So what we recommend is people selling between 25 to 27. We've seen people being able to flourish, make thousands of dollars weekly, being able to sell these dials. Now, how do you get the dials? Of course, we have a website, wesply.com. Now, these Labubu dials are actually in our seasonal product section where you can actually get them. You can get 4, you can get 1 if you want, you can get 6, you can get 12, and you don't need any resellers permit, EIN, LLC. This is a website for you and me, resellers that are looking to grow on platforms such as Mercari, eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and more. And again, the hype is real, but is the profit? Well, yes, it is. But again, keep watching because we have more things to actually break down. Now, why do people actually fail? So again, there are a bunch of benefits to selling these, but negative because you don't just want to buy any dial. So I'll be very quite frank with you guys. I only buy the dials where they at. I only buy Baba and I only buy I buy Baba and I buy QQ. These are the 2 dials that I know for a fact will sell. I don't buy all of the other ones. Now, here's the problem with a bunch of amateurs. They're just buying whatever they can put their hands on. And again, that could be a benefit or it could be detrimental to your business if you're somebody that is trying to actually flourish and make some money. Because again, the ones, especially QQ, they sell fast. QQ sells fast, Baba sells fast. That is just what we've seen, especially on our numerous of eBay accounts that we use with eBay automation, where we list, ship, and provide products for people. Now, if you're somebody out there that is trying to sell, I definitely would say, don't just buy anything, okay? Buy the ones that are going to actually flourish and sell. Number 2, bad pricing. People are buying these for bad prices. Now, our Labubu dials cost you $9, and if you buy around 4 or 6, they'll go up to 12. Nothing over, okay? We don't sell them for 15. We're not going to hit you over side the head, even if they're trending. Because see, our goal is for you guys to be able to make money, right? And again, we want to make sure it's in the same range as PopMart. Because again, you don't want to price gouge because you break your brand trust. And also, you shy customers away when you do that. And lastly, bad timing. So see, there's a window to this, okay? It's not like this is going to like sell forever, right? So again, this is a perfect time, but you don't want to actually start selling this 3 months from now. Like, you want to actually be riding the wave, because the people that start to get on the wave too late are going to be the people that are investing in product that isn't selling. And that's the last thing you want, especially for something like this. These dials are valuable right now, but I promise you next year they will be irrelevant. Again, they have a PopMart store coming soon and all of these different things which will benefit you. But again, they're going to be irrelevant. Mark my words, irrelevant. So you want to make sure that you're utilizing the timing correctly and getting in now. Now, let's talk about the smart way to flip. So what you want to do is you want to get these for as low as possible. Again, buy 12, buy 6, get them for $9. Buy 4, you can go ahead and get it for 12. Yes, that's how wholesale works. Wholesale works, the more you buy, the less you spend, of course. But the point of the matter is buy as much as possible just so that you can have them on hand. The last thing you want and the most frustrating part is when you buy a little and then you have a higher demand, you can't fulfill it, you will have watched this money walk away. That sucks. The worst case scenario, go liquidate the product if you have too many. That is the best way to actually look at this. Now, if you're somebody that is trying to actually flip this fast, I would tell you this. Make sure you're looking at the sold listings on eBay, Mercari, okay? They'll tell you everything that you need to know. And you just copy those listings and then watch your product sell. Of course, you want to use the promotions tab, especially on eBay. That's why, hence why, eBay is the most popular platform, in my opinion, for selling these Labubu dolls. Now, Mercari works too, but eBay, whole different level, okay? So I definitely would do that because you'll start to see that being able to sell on there and have that free promotion option, it puts you in front of more customers. We have a more friendly pricing strategy. So again, we end up converting way more. Now, how do you actually cash in? So you gotta act as soon as you can. Now, I know it seems pushy. It seems like there's a high sense of urgency. Well, there is, because see, with seasonal products, we don't have time to pander, wait, and try to cross our T's and dot our I's, make sure that we're making $1 billion from it. No, get what you can from this boom. Because one thing I've learned, especially with reps, right? Great example. Reps, they'll sell to this day. But the reps, when they first came out, they were selling hotcakes because people didn't really care. And it wasn't too popular. Like, people are buying fake Rollies. I got a bunch of friends that have fake Rolexes, right? I paid a bunch of money for my Movado watches. I paid a bunch of money for my timepiece because I wanted to make sure that it held its value. But now a lot of people don't care about things holding its value. They just care about looking cool, right? They care about looking like they have value. And I think that that is the way this generation is going towards. So what I would definitely suggest is making sure you guys get the product, make sure you start listing the product, and of course, profit. Make sure that you're inspecting what you expect by looking at your listings, looking at the results, and making sure that you're duplicating what works and stopping what doesn't. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, don't ever hesitate to make sure you guys comment below. If you have a perspective that I didn't reach or didn't hit on, and if you just don't agree with me, let me know. Definitely smash that like button, and of course, subscribe for more tips, tricks on reselling and phone flipping. My name is Brandon Jones, and I specialize in helping you make an extra income stream, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Peace.